In this brief video, we will explore the differences between air plasma sprayed coatings, shortly called APS, and low pressure plasma sprayed coatings, shortly called LPPS. Hi, this is Raj from First Solutions. Let's jump in. We are going to deal with the bulk of such coatings and not with special exceptions. Generally, in APS, there is a bond coat followed by a top coat. For example, a bond coat of nickel, chromium, aluminum, yttrium, followed by a top coat such as a thermal barrier zirconia yttria, or for example, a bond coat of nickel aluminide followed by a top coat of aluminum oxide. Now, the bond coat quality is important, especially from the standpoint of oxides. If your bond coat is stuffed with too much of oxide stringers, then the bond between the bond coat and the top coat will be weak and the coating will fail. Bond coat thickness is usually 2 to 4 thousandths of an inch in APS, and the oxide stringers are minimized by gun setup and coating parameters. APS works for the most part, but there are specific requirements where the coating needs to have features that are not achievable by APS. First, there can be absolutely no oxides or ridiculously low levels of oxides. Second, the coating needs to be very thick, almost over 100 thousandths of an inch. For example, an application is the cobalt, nickel, chromium, aluminum, yttrium coatings in aircraft engine stator segments. This is where LPPS comes to the rescue. If you are looking for a good source for these types of plasma sprayed coatings, or if you are a service company that provides these services to customers and would like to have more sales, then sign up for free at firstpaget.com and put in your categories as industrial processes and materials, then coatings and surface treatments, then thermal spray, then services, then LPPS or air plasma as the case may be. Thermal spray companies are already quietly signed up at firstpaget.com quoting on jobs. You should too if you haven't yet. Hope you found this video useful.